All right, here we go. We're gonna pull this thing out for the first time. New engine, it's all buttoned up. You're asking yourself, will it crank? Will young Jacob make it back? I hope so. And man, my general thoughts on this whole thing is having owned that plane for 8 months, not seen it move. We've had to buy an engine for it and get it put in. A lot of downtime, getting ready to redo the panel.
It's a downhill slope right here. So if something broke on that, we'd be like, nah, that's insurance problem.
Oh man, that's hilarious. Anyway, here it goes. You know, a lot of thoughts going through my mind. Thank God these boys have got millions of hours and know what they're doing. Like Jacob said earlier, he is going to fly over the next airport down. It's only about 3 miles away. So if you can make it to 1,000 feet, you'll be in there. And long time coming, here we go. All right, we're out here today. We're about to launch this Bonanza that I've owned for damn near 9 months, brand new engine. Thank God we've got real pilots that can do it. Me and Mike are gonna watch this from the ground. Get ready!
1/3 of this plane.
Woo! We're debating on what to do. Jacob, what the hell are you gonna do? Where are we going?
Well, I know we're taking off 3-4.
All right.
I want to make sure that we're going over airport before I turn out. The question is to go to McKinney, hang out on the north side.
Got a little bit of weather we're dodging here.
Yeah. Or just go to the southeast.
Yeah, there's a hole right down there. You can go out to Terrell, Texas.
Well, Aero Country is broken at 7,000, so I can't imagine anything over there would be huge.
These idiots are flying in a Cessna, so it should be okay.
I get that. I just gotta get
we should be. If it says it's safe, it's safe. Oh man. So, what's the plan? What's gonna happen here? If shit goes wrong, what are you gonna do?
If shit goes wrong, I'm going to Dallas Airport.
Here's what you
Dallas
do.
Airport's right in front of
way
us.
Really fast. If something gets in your way, turn.
From there, you're gonna climb up to 5,500 feet
And go hang out for an hour.
and go hang out for an hour and try to get this thing out of infant death syndrome. All right, we'll talk more on the taxi out. I won't be there. Jacob's gonna have to do all this monologuing and voicing over on his own. Then just like that, we shoved Jacob into the plane and wished him the best. All right, we're gonna crank this thing up for the first time in 8 months, and really the first time ever on this engine. Let's zoom back just a little bit.
He's not just a time baby.
Pretty emotional day for me. I mean, I've had pretty good money shoved in this plane over the last 8-9 months, and look, I'm ready to see it go. You have to wonder if Jacob feels any pressure with 5 grown men watching you. But
Are you a CFI?
Yeah, I'm CFI. Yeah, I'm his new CFI.
there you go.
Tim.
Clear prop. Let's see a sucker crank up, because this is going to end this thing short if it doesn't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the wrong.
I did not like that idle.
Seemed okay from here.
Yeah, it sounded fine.
What did you not like?
No, it cut off its own.
Oh, it cut off.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Are you just sitting there? You didn't pull the mixture? That's kind of short and anticlimactic there. Round 2. That's no good.
Full idle on the throttle.
Throttle's all the way back?
Yeah, so it doesn't want to idle at...
That was not super low RPM though, was it?
1,000.
What was it before it cut off?
100 something. I'll film it this time.
Should idle rough around 6.
Yeah.
But it should idle.
It should island, yeah.
It would be lopey, but it would still, yeah, but it would still idle. And 7 should be smooth.
Alright, well, I'm going to film it this time.
Just go to 1100. Just for
That's
like
what
a
I was
minute.
thinking too, but
That's what I warmed into the oil and then back it down after that.
Yeah, but 1,000 RPM is bare
Keep
minimum.
climbing?
Yeah.
Oh, now to start it, yeah, probably a little bit.
Yeah. That's good.
all right, we're back out here for day 2 of trying to fly the plane with a new engine. And we're waiting for it to come back over from the guys that installed it. They had some idling issues yesterday, which is to be expected. I mean, all that stuff's brand new. You're probably going right back to the shop first time you fire it up anyway. But hangar's empty. Get ready to put the old engine on the crate. And then we're going to put Jacob in the air. And hopefully he doesn't play crash test dummy. Little bit of cloud, not much. Plan to go out to the east and then circle and burn fuel for an hour or so out by McKinney. Talk to you again from the air.
Yeah, me doing the checks.
Man, I'm all good. I'm just turning them on because I'm through messing with cameras right there.
Clip rock.
I can hear you.
Man.
I'm at the Southwest T hangars.
Bravo and Charlie.
Charlie, ready to taxi with Delta.
And then our request is that we should do one lap around.
Circuit.
Yeah, one circuit, stay at altitude.
All right. All right, you reviewed all the checklists, ready to go forward.
Yep, so did everything on the engine starts, circuit breaker, everything except the autopilot is in. Controls at 3 degrees, flaps up. Then went through brake square, did the static check, that's all good. Sorry, I'm just so loud, it's like jarring to hear myself speak.
Yes, sir. We're at Bravo and Charlotte.
Right close to
Bags up 74. You said right close to it. Real hustle.
it. And just to confirm, they want us at 2,000 feet.
And y'all want us at 2,000 feet.
All right.
we're back. What a day. Didn't really expect to get in there and go with him. We ended up having a push to talk issue we had to troubleshoot. So we both got in there. Wonderful experience, more to come.